and we are talking about the mystery of Advent.
What is the mystery of Advent?
You will see.
Okay.
This hand is pointing.
What is this?
I'm just gonna put them down.
Okay.
So I don't have to do it. Give me a second to help us figure out the mystery of Elvis. The first one, the first candle, the second one, the second candle, the third one, the third candle, the fourth one, the fourth candle, the second one, the supper for today.
So what is the Advent about?
Okay.
What is the end of the story?
I don't know. I don't know, but
Okay, what is that first one? Is that a finger?
I'm done videoing, Mama.
Okay, the first Advent is a finger, which is the prophet pointing out to the mystery of the Christmas.
I
The
said a quick.
second one is the way to Jerusalem. The third
doing a
one
video.
is the sheep. And
The third one is about the mystery of.
And the last one is Christmas. Jesus is born.
We should be awfully careful with this. Don't wanna break.
Thank you, Dunah.
You're welcome, students.